All right, so the naked get up. This is great for beginners because I don't want to, get someone on the ground and they don't know what they're doing, so they're going to feel threatened in that environment. They're actually going to move worse. And then secondly, you don't want to load bad movement. So when I get to know these positions with the get up, it's really about, it has almost 6 to 8 movements when you really think about it with the entire get up. So first thing we're going to do is just going to stand tall, raise this arm up. Sound like I got the kettlebell, pack it down right here. As you can see, my shoulder retracts down. I'm then going to dig my toe down right here, and I have a vertical shin here. As you notice, I'm not collapsed in. I keep it here. So this is what we want in this half kneeling position. From here, you have 2 options to do a windshield wiper. You can do a rear windshield wiper or a front, so that squares me off. So you can do either or, where it feels most comfortable for your knees. Once here, I'll do the windshield wiper, chop at the hips, and this is the windmill. So with the windmill, it's a simultaneous hip hinge with the spine going in and out. So then I gently set this arm down, I low sweep, I'm now in the tall sit position here, arms still locked. This is where you're now looking up at the bell at that position. So I'm then going to come down. Don't let the bell go out like this. Try to keep it right here so that way it comes back down, it stays right here. So let's break down the tall sit position a little bit more. And what people do is they crunch like this. The get up is not a crunching exercise, it's actually a rolling exercise. What I tell people to do is gorilla stomp this foot and push into it, so that makes you roll, as you see here, toward this foot. I flex this quad here so it keeps my hips rooted, and then I'm gonna pull right here, drive my elbow in right here. From here, we can do what's called rolling 45s. I just quickly come down, I switch, go right to the other side. So it looks like I'm punching. I get that groove going. You can do like 5 of those. It's a great way to keep this going. Make sure you keep those ribs hidden down right here. We're not trying to rib flare. From here, you just come right up, low sweep, back down, come on the other side, low sweep, come back down. So you see I get that groove going each side. So once we come back up, that low sweep, come up. So a hip hinge right here. We don't want to jam up right here. Your hand should be weightless right here. Once I push into it, now my hand's off the weight on that. So make sure you just hinge, come up, now I'm looking forward. Make sure you got that head position down. Like I said, you look up as you go down, you come up, don't kick the hose right here. Still looking up at the bell. If you look up at the bell, you're not going to be unbalanced all over the place. You got no lat activation from there. So look forward, square it off, dig that toe down, flexing that glute, stand up tall. That's how you perform the naked get up. All right, so one get up is left and right. And a great thing Dr. Mark Chain taught me is speed hides dysfunction. So a great way to challenge yourself is to do one get up as slow as you can. The way you do this is to set up your camera on time-lapse mode, put it next to a stopwatch, grab a kettlebell, and do your left and right as slow as you can. And then once you look at the video right here, as you see, you can see where you're compensating and going through the fastest in each of those positions. If you'd like more correctives for your kettlebell get up, I have a new article out on my website. Please check that out if you'd like to see more. I got more exciting content while I'm launching in March. Stay tuned for that. This is Coach Vaughn signing off. Hope you have fun with that.